Oliver's interested. And Frankie. They're going to grab it right off your head. Well, that was short. Frankie's going nuts. I think Oliver's afraid of it. It's the wuss he is. What's that, Oliver? What do you got? What's he got? What's he got? Frankie, what's he got? Frankie's going nuts, dear.